Welcome to Smart AI World. In today's video, we'll explore the best free AI tools for students in 2025 that can save you hours of study time, boost productivity, and make learning smarter than ever. From AI tutors to powerful research helpers, these tools are here to change the way you study. Let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal AI tutor, available 24/7. You can ask it to explain tough topics like photosynthesis in simple words, create study guides, or even prepare quiz questions. Instead of spending hours searching online, ChatGPT gives you quick, clear, and reliable answers. Next is Notion AI, the ultimate productivity hub. With Notion, you can organize your notes, track assignments, and create a full study plan. The AI can summarize long chapters, generate flashcards, and even suggest to-do lists to keep you on track. It's like having your own digital study assistant. Number 3 is Grammarly. Writing essays and assignments can be stressful, but Grammarly checks your grammar, spelling, and even your tone instantly. It highlights mistakes in red and green so you can polish your writing before submitting. With Grammarly, your essays will always look professional. At number 4, we have QuillBot. This free tool helps you paraphrase and rewrite text without losing meaning. It's perfect for assignments, research papers, or whenever you need to put something in your own words. Just paste a paragraph, and QuillBot instantly generates a fresh version for you. And finally, Perplexity AI. Unlike a normal search engine, Perplexity gives you structured, well-written answers with sources included. For example, if you search history of the internet, it shows a clean summary plus reliable references. This makes research faster and far more accurate. These AI tools are powerful, free, and designed to help students like you study smarter and save time. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Smart AI World, and hit the bell icon for more AI, tech, and productivity tools. Thanks for watching.